Hello everyone, welcome to Art Corner. I've got this grey pastel paper before me, and firstly I'm starting my drawing with a horizontal X shape, and then I'm giving it a small curve for my overall desired look. And after that I'm drawing circles for grapes inside the shape. Using shapes gives your drawings a visual weight and an overall understanding how to organize the space inside of it. You can see I'm also using overall shapes for leaves before adding any details. And after that, remove any unnecessary lines, and now your drawing is ready for color. For color, I'm using rose pink right now. I'm using it to add a lighter tone. And now I'm using carmine. Slowly blend it with rose pink. As you can see, I'm using rose pink and carmine repeatedly because these are hard oil pastels. I'm using them again and again to create a smudgy look and soft look. But if you have soft oil pastels, it will be easier for you, and you can do it in your own way and try to create the soft look that you want in grapes. I've also imagined that light is coming from left side, so I'm using white for highlight, and it's also gonna be on left side. I'm using dark violet for adding dark. I'm using it as a dark tone since I don't have any reds that are darker than carmine. If you have any of them, you can use it too. You have to be patient and do the same process for each and every grapes. Right now I'm doing this without any reference photographs, but before doing it I've seen multiple photographs and I'm trying to do this by my own. But if you want, you can take any photographs for reference, but I'll suggest use photographs that have clear light and shadow depiction. I'm also using dark violets for gaps inside those grapes. After feeling like an eternity, I've completed this finally. As you can see, everything is done with rose pink, carmine, dark violet and white. I'm using this black pencil to add more dark between these grapes, reshaping them and making them much more clear. If you have black crayons, you can use them to create this darker effect. I'm also using dark violet to differentiate the grapes that are in front from the ones that are behind them. And if you have any queries, you can always ask in comment section. As you can see, I just forgot to color a grape and I'm just doing it again. But the ones that are behind, they don't need much details, so it was faster. I'm using yellow greens as a lighter tone for the leaves. And now I'm using light green as middle tone. And also I'm using multiple greens to create a light and shadow, so it gives a much more realistic effect. Olive green for darker tone. Deep green for a much more darker tone. Using the same black pencil for details and shading. Since light is coming from left side, I'm also going to cast the shadow of this object on right side and try to use a softer effect for shadows to create a softness in your drawings and paintings. And I'm using eraser to remove unnecessary parts. If you have any queries and if you like the video, please let me know in the comment section. For more tutorials like this, like and subscribe this channel. And that's gonna be all for today. And I'll see you in my next video. And thanks for watching.